Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll boot directly into the Windows recovery environment using a recovery USB or install media. This avoids booting from the corrupted system. Once done, choose Troubleshoot Right Arrow Advanced Options, Right Arrow Command Prompt so you can run repairs manually. Make sure to determine the correct system drive letter by running disk part and list volume. This prevents applying fixes to the wrong partition. You're starting with access and identification, so every following command targets the real system files instead of a temporary or wrong volume. You'll begin repairing disk structures and boot configuration to restore access to System32. First run chkdsk/f/r to fix file table and sectors. This can recover corrupted System32 entries. Then run bootrec/fixmber and bootrec/fixboot to repair boot records, followed by bootrec/rebuild to repopulate boot entries. If rebuild reports failures, export the old BCD, rename it, and use BCD boot C/Windows to recreate a clean BCD. These steps restore how Windows finds its system files. You'll finish by validating and restoring protected system files and registry hives so System32 is consistent. Run sfc/scano with the offline parameters, /offbootdir and /offwindir pointing to the system volume to repair corrupted files. If sfc cannot fix issues, run dism on an offline image or recover from a shadow copy, and then retry sfc. If the registry is corrupt, copy hives from /Windows/system32/config/reg back into config. If that fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.